What's up, everyone? If you're looking to process your own game, you got to check out this 15-piece hunting knife set. Let's open it up, see what comes inside. It comes in a really nice case. This is a very sturdy case, very well made. First off, you have your butcher knife right here. This is your hatchet. You have your skinning knife right here. Your gut hook knife. This is your wood or bone saw. This is your fish fillet knife here. You have some game shears, a fishing hook, a rib cage spreader, a knife sharpening rod. Also does come with some gloves, a nylon rope and some plastic gloves, and a fire starter. So this set has you well covered to process your own game. Let's take a look at some of these knives and see how they do. I haven't got a deer yet this fall, so I do have some chicken here. And we're going to test it out on that. First off, we have your butcher knife. This is really nice. Very long knife. Let's take a look. Cut off some of this fat on the chicken. Oh yeah. These things are super sharp right out of the box. Nice clean cuts here. And this cuts the chicken very well. This is a really nice butcher's knife. All right, next up we have the skinning knife here. Let's take a look at this. This would be typically used out in the field when you're skinning your deer. You just want to get those nice fine cuts and just follow those layers. This is the knife right here. This is a great skinning knife. Look at that. It's going to help you get all that fat off of there, saving all that precious meat. This is the gut hook knife. This is typically used to open up the abdomen. But we're just going to do a couple quick cuts here. And again, super sharp right out of the box. You can see these have a great grip to them. I love the camo pattern on there. That's really nice. These fit really well in the hand. This one does have a nice spot for your finger and a nice spot for your thumb on top just to give you more control while you're cutting. All right, so this is the fishing fillet knife. This would be a great knife after a day of fishing. You get a bunch of fish and you bring them home and you want to fillet them up. This is going to be a nice, thin, long blade for you to do that. And this one's super sharp as well. Let's take a look at these shears real quick. These are really nice, fit well in the hand. And these are sharp. They cut really easy. Able just to get all that fat off of there. So what's really important, especially when you're processing a bigger animal, is to sharpen your knives here and there. So you do have this really nice knife sharpener. So it does a really great job at sharpening your knives. That way you have a really sharp blade to cut with time and time again. So if you're an avid hunter looking to process your own game, this hunting knife set is a great pickup. It comes with 15 different pieces that's just going to go perfectly to help you process your game nice and easily. So if you're looking for a really nice knife set, this one right here is a great option. Thanks for watching.